In HVAC and refrigeration work, pulling vacuum is not enough. The real question is the system properly vacuumed? Is there any leakage? Is moisture or air still inside the system? If we only guess by the vacuum pump sound, we may make a wrong decision. That is why a digital vacuum gauge is important. In this video, we will understand the Elitech VGW-760 wireless digital vacuum gauge. The Elitech VGW-760 is a wireless digital vacuum gauge. It is mainly used for HVAC and refrigeration system evacuation. In simple words, it helps you check the actual vacuum level inside the system. This is useful during AC servicing, refrigeration maintenance, vacuum pump checking, and leak checking. It helps the technician work with more confidence instead of guessing. The VGW-760 measures vacuum pressure. Its measuring range is from 1 micron to 19,000 microns. In HVAC work, micron is commonly used to check vacuum level. Lower micron value means deeper vacuum. The gauge also supports different units like micron, PA, mTOR, TOR, mbar, psi, INHG, and kPa. So the user can select the unit as per requirement. One important feature is the digital display. You can directly see the vacuum value on the screen. The display also shows battery status, unit, recording status, wireless connection, and auto-off indication. Second useful feature is wireless app connectivity. You can connect the gauge with the Elitech Tools app and monitor the reading from your mobile phone. This is useful during long vacuum jobs. Third feature is data recording. The gauge can record vacuum data and help generate reports. This is useful for service records and professional documentation. The button operation is simple. The left button is used for backlight and unit selection. Press once for backlight. Press and hold to change the unit. The center button is the power button. It is used to turn the gauge on and off. The right button is used for wireless connection and recording. Press once to enable or disable wireless connection. Press and hold to start recording. So overall, the gauge is easy to operate in field conditions. The measuring range is 1 to 19,000 microns. The accuracy is approximately plus or minus 10%. Wireless transmission distance is around 30 meters. The fitting is a 1/4 inch SAE male flare, which is common in HVAC and refrigeration service work. It uses 3 AA batteries. The protection grade is IP65, which gives protection against dust and water splash in normal use. But still, it should be handled carefully as a measurement instrument. Before using the gauge, first check the joint. Make sure there is no oil stain or dirt. Connect the gauge properly to the system. The manual suggests keeping the connector downward and vertical as much as possible. Also, connect the gauge away from the vacuum pump as far as possible. Now turn on the gauge. Start the vacuum pump and monitor the reading. If needed, connect the gauge with the Elitech Tools app for wireless monitoring. You can also start data recording if you need service records. One important point. Before turning off the vacuum pump, close the valve and isolate the pump from the system. This helps protect the gauge and system. The Elitech VGW-760 is useful for HVAC service work, refrigeration system evacuation, AC installation and maintenance, vacuum pump checking, leak checking, cold room and chiller service, refrigerant line evacuation. It is useful for HVAC technicians, refrigeration service teams, maintenance engineers, and contractors. You should consider this product if you need a digital vacuum gauge for HVAC or refrigeration work. Before buying, confirm. Required vacuum range, connection type, app monitoring requirement, data recording requirement, and whether your application has oil, dust, or impurities. For regular service work, this gauge can help improve vacuum checking and service quality. So overall, the Elitech VGW-760 wireless digital vacuum gauge is a useful instrument for HVAC and refrigeration vacuum measurement. It helps check vacuum level, monitor evacuation, record data, connect with mobile app, and support leak checking. It makes vacuum service work more professional and reliable. For price, stock availability, and technical guidance, contact Radical TechArt. Our team will help you select the right product as per your application. Thank you for watching.